Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can add or insert a custom text into your video clips you create on Google Vids in 2026. So let us get started. So navigate to your video project on Google Vids, and after that navigate also to the scene here on the timeline at the bottom of your video clip. I will go with that scene here, and next select text here to the right. Next, select a title or a subtitle or body text. I will go with title. Let me close that window here. And now you can customize that text as you or as it works on most other Google applications. So if you double click into it, you will see, for instance, the highlighted text. You may rotate the text box, you may resize it, and you may, for instance, apply bold letters, italic letters, change the text color, for instance, use the highlight color, for instance, apply various types of lists like bulleted lists, numbered lists, use indents, the format painter, and also a fill color for the text box itself. Now let me just position the text here in the center. So select the centered alignment. And let me also type the text here, example, for instance. And that's it. Now there are of course also different fonts here and custom styles, border colors for the text boxes. You can customize the border weight, the border style, like for example dotted line or straight line. And that's it. So let me just, in the final step, reposition that text box here and resize it just like this. There you go. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.